This is obviously not Miss Jamie. This is Miss Karin, who's going to start doing some Crafternoons for the rest of this school year. And thanks to Austin for taping. My first one for you is going to be a Collage Cat or Collage Dog. You can do one or both. The great thing about collages is that you can do anything you want to with anything you can find at home that it's okay with your parents that you use. So you don't have to use the kits, but if you choose to, what you will get is a magazine head that I've already cut out or ripped out, a neck, this is for the cat, 2 ears, a set of sticker eyes, a pom-pom nose, a collar made out of felt, and then some whiskers cut from yarn. The dog has almost the same things except that it has ears, spots, eyes, and 2 nose pieces. So that's what would be in the dog kit. But I will show you the cat kit. Right. So the only thing you'll need from home will be glue or a glue stick or tape, however you want to attach things. Then what I'm going to do is just glue the neck, put the head on top. You can use whichever side you want to. Put some ears on. Put some whiskers on. Just start somewhere in the middle and draw lines where you want your whiskers to go. That's the only part that might get a little messy, especially if you use glue. And all the kits are a little different because they're collages, so we're using scraps. Once you get your whiskers where you want them, you can put a drop of glue on, add your nose, and then add a collar. And I forgot something. That's okay. Then the eyes are actually stickers, so you can stick those on without glue. And I forgot a pen, but if you want to add a smiley face like this one to your cat, you can just add a smiley face with a pen or a crayon or a pencil, and you will have a collage cat. Thanks for joining me. I hope you come and pick up a kit, and I hope I see you next week.